Did you know where the concept of courtyard homes come from? At the heart of this luxurious home lies a concept rooted in ancient Chinese architecture called central courtyard, or also known as tianjing. Centuries ago, homes were built around courtyards to bring in light, air, and harmony. Today, that idea is reimagined for modern luxury, creating a home that's serene, connected, and alive at its core. This is a home in Chiang Mai built around wellness, a retreat to heal and to reconnect with nature. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Before we begin, a friendly reminder, if you've not clicked on the subscribe button yet, do it now and stay in the loop for more upcoming design and architecture related contents. From the moment you arrive, the architecture of the home is shaped around the pool as the centerpiece. The ground floor unfolds into two main zones, a serene wellness wing and a living pavilion. The wellness wing, overlooking the pool, becomes a place to reset, set apart from the main living pavilion. Although it functions as a separate zone, the space remains seamlessly connected, designed as the cohesive home. At different times of the day, the generous outdoor spaces transforms, opening up for larger gatherings and celebrations. From the entry, the parking garage offers a glimpse of the pool and landscape through louvered panels that funnels air inwards. These louvers also bring natural light into the garage. Without them, the space would have felt dark and enclosed. A gently curved wall creates a graceful ceremonial entry towards the heart of the home. This episode is in collaboration with Aurum Development Company, builders of luxury homes that create living spaces shaped around lifestyle. The living pavilion forms the heart of the home, wrapped between the pool on one side and the courtyard tree on the other. As the construction was undergoing, the idea was to design with no columns on the exterior, allowing a wide, uninterrupted entrance. The architectural intention is to create a seamless look with full-height glass doors. Without this approach, the experience of moving through and opening up the space would be entirely different. When the sliding doors on both ends are open, cross-ventilation flows freely through, allowing the home to breathe naturally. The interior features a subtle colonial English touch, as seen in the layered ceiling details that add depth and elegant character. The dry kitchen is not merely for show, but designed to be a high-performance space where even the tap is retractable, reflecting careful design thought in how every function and workflow has been considered. In the wet kitchen, windows frame beautiful views of the courtyard tree, allowing moments of greenery even while cooking. The sink and washing area are equally well considered in design, designed for practicality and ease of movement. The living area features a striking black feature wall that adds an elegant contrast to the light-filled, open-plan interior. With the front of the home facing north, the right wing oriented east, the home is carefully designed to block harsh sunlight. This ensures sheer curtains are enough to filter daylight, keeping the home naturally bright and comfortable, and the outdoors enjoyable throughout the day. Deeper in the house, a discreet door separates the private wing from the entertaining space. A guest room tucked away from the main area opens onto an own private garden, offering a quiet connection to nature. A dramatic staircase leads to the upper level, while a corridor guides you towards the wellness spaces. A dead corner separating the sauna from the steam room has been repurposed as a pocket garden, bringing light and greenery into the corridor. Canadian pine abachi wood was curated for the sauna, creating a clean, knot-free aesthetic. The sauna offers panoramic views of lush greenery, while the spacious steam room opens up to a calming pool. Unlike conventional saunas, often enclosed in dark rooms, this one creates the impression of being outdoors. These spaces transform typically indoor rituals into scenic experiences, allowing you to unwind in nature. Throughout the home, windows and doors are fitted by a Japanese brand called Tostem. Tostem aluminum frames offering a sleek aesthetic while ensuring durability. In the garden, a saltwater pool and jacuzzi take center stage. Saltwater pools offer a gentler, natural swimming experience that is kinder to the skin, eyes, and deeply soothing. A sheltered outdoor lounge offers a serene, entertaining space that is immersed in nature. At the end of the wellness spaces lies a serene tea room set apart in its own aesthetic. A nearby pantry adds ease and practicality, making it effortless to host without moving far. L-shaped operable sliding doors open the space directly to curated gardens, creating a luxurious resort-like ambience. Frameless glass on the other side creates a full view of the landscape. This space embraces serene Japanese design with tatami mats imported directly from Japan to curate a seating area. The low seating ensures clean sightlines and avoids visual clutter, allowing uninterrupted views of the pool and greenery beyond, creating a space that feels earthy, elegant, and deeply serene. This property is currently available for sale, offering a rare opportunity to own a truly unique sanctuary in Chiang Mai. Experience firsthand how modern luxury, wellness, and nature comes together in perfect harmony. For more details or private viewings, check the description below for the contact. The side living room comes into play when the entire family gathers and a larger space is needed. The architecture was intentionally designed to separate this part of the home for entertaining guests. Stepping into this triple-volume living hall instantly creates a sense of grandeur. Seamlessly integrated into the living area, a multifunctional space is designed to provide a dedicated spot for work. The first floor features 4 bedrooms in total, with 3 smaller rooms on one side of the wing and the master bedroom on the other side. The master bedroom spans a generous layout, allowing different zones to coexist within one space. This is a design approach that enhances comfort, privacy, and flexibility in daily living. The clear zones guide movement naturally throughout the space, making large spaces feel manageable rather than overwhelming. 2 customized full king-size bed anchors the master suite, creating a luxurious retreat while redefining a restful zone within the expansive layout. A dedicated workspace blends seamlessly into the suite, while a wide balcony with a lounge extends the living area outdoors. The master bathroom is a study in luxury and functionality, with a compartmentalized layout. A spacious bathtub and 2 rain showers enhance the sense of indulgence while opening onto a balcony overlooking the swimming pool and the rest of the home. A long corridor in the master suite conceals a walk-in closet behind a sliding door. Windows hidden behind the vanity mirror allow natural light to filter in, maintaining a clean, minimalist aesthetic when closed. Another hidden surprise lies behind a mirrored wall, a private gaming or work area discreetly tucked within the walk-in closet. On the opposite wing, A wooden deck embraces the courtyard tree as it rises, creating a serene spot for morning stretches. A louvered facade ensures privacy from neighbors while maintaining light, airflow, and a connection to nature. The second bedroom embraces calming green and beige tones while maintaining the home's overall palette. Hidden behind a graceful curved partition, the closet nook flows into a compact desk area, creating a multifunctional space. The bathroom features a darker color palette that evokes a cozy boutique hotel ambience. Unique features and carefully chosen colors give each room in this home its own subtle character and personality. This home offers endless possibilities, perfect for a young family, a multi-generational household, or anyone seeking a versatile sanctuary. With the central courtyard and the swimming pool at its heart, every space is designed to connect, refresh, and heal. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to learn more about interior design and architecture-related contents, please click on the subscribe button to stay tuned for more upcoming, compelling design episodes. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next week.